Hi everyone, my name is EJ, and in today's video we're gonna be talking about what you have to do if you just spill any type of liquid on your keyboard. So please make sure, if this has happened right now, just unplug the keyboard from your computer and flip it upside down. Now if you have done this, let's get started. So hi everyone, if you just follow the steps that I just asked you to do, don't panic, take it easy. You have a big chance that your keyboard is gonna be fine because you're gonna now clean it. We're gonna make sure that your keyboard is clean and they have no water inside. So the first thing you have to do, this is something that everybody have at home, and that is a vacuum cleaner. Just go and grab your vacuum cleaner and put it ready. Maybe from your girlfriend, your wife, or anybody in your house that use a hair dryer, grab one and put it on the side. We're gonna make sure for your keyboard to stay clean and ready to work again. You're gonna be able to play games. You're not gonna have to wait a really long time. But if you can, just leave it to dry for a day. But if you don't want to, if you cannot wait to play again or do whatever you need to do, you can use it. I just did it the same way. After all of this, I make sure to remove every keycap from the keyboard one by one, and this is really easy in a mechanical keyboard, and if you have one, you know how easy it is. I didn't have a tool to remove my keycaps, so I 3D printed one and make sure to remove all of them on the area that was damaged with the liquid. And this whole process, please make sure don't flip your keyboard again to the other side in his normal position. Don't flip it again. Keep it upside down with the keycaps looking down. Please make sure to do that, because if you flip it again, you have a bigger chance of the water making contact with the board and with the electronics of your keyboard. If you have done this, now we're gonna make sure that we can suck as much water as we can from the keyboard. What you have to do right now is grab your vacuum cleaner, remove the top of it, so you're only gonna have to use the circular part and not with the base on it. Now what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna get it really close to your keyboard as much as you can. Try to get it close so it has some pressure in there, so it sucks as much water as possible. Because if you try to fix it right now by pushing air inside, it's gonna be a mess. You're gonna push all the water in, and that is not going to help at all. So make sure to suck as much water as possible. Take your time, even pause the video and go and do it. Take your time with it. And if you're done with that, please now make sure to grab a hair dryer or a heat gun, something that produces some warm air, and start to putting it from the distance first, not really close, because if you put it too close, it's gonna start putting too much pressure inside, and before the water dries, it's gonna push it to the board, and then you're gonna damage your keyboard. So if you have done this, now make sure that you dry it really well, and make sure that if you're using a heat gun, don't put it too hot because you can melt your plastic, and you don't want that either. So make sure to get some air on the keyboard that is hot, not too hot. Remember, if it's a heat gun, don't make it too hot. Keep your distance so it heats up and the water can dissipate. At the moment that the water have dissipated, don't trust it yet. Just keep doing it for a little while. Make sure that the keyboard is completely dry, and I can guarantee you, if you follow my steps, you have a big chance that your keyboard is gonna be completely fine. You're gonna be able to use your keyboard. When it happened to me, I did those steps and my keyboard is working perfectly, no problems at all. I'm really happy that I can keep using my keyboard that cost me so much money, and we know that, yeah, money doesn't grow on trees. Guys, please follow the steps. If this helped you, please let me know in the comments down below. I will make sure to be checking on, and if it doesn't help, please also let me know, and maybe I can help you with other steps and what to do. But I hope that you follow the steps, and I hope that your keyboard is still working. So I really hope this video was of help to rescue your keyboard from any water damage. And please, if that was the case, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. If you have a friend or anybody that have this problem, share this video with them, and I think it's gonna help them. My name is EJ, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.